Watching this old video, you probably thought to yourself, I wonder where his front badge is. Well, you see, Evolve 7's front badges are actually discontinued. You cannot buy them, so if your badge is in rough condition, you're kinda screwed. So, in this video, we will talk about how to get around that, just by using a 3D printer and an existing Mitsubishi Evo badging. So stay tuned. Hello everybody, today's short video I will show you how to tackle issue of discontinued Evolve 7 front badge, because they don't make them anymore, unfortunately. I turned the internet upside down, couldn't find one anywhere in good condition. My original one was pretty rough, so after restoring my entire front end, I had a bit of a dilemma what to do with the empty spot where the old badge is. So I came out with a bit of a DIY solution, which involves rear badge actually. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So there's your standard rear badge, and here is a piece 3D printed, actually off of a different badge. There's a guy that 3D prints badges for Evo 7s online on eBay. I will link him. I'll put a link in the description below. His name is Dylan. He's in California. He usually makes 3D printed front badges, but they're two-piece. This is the inner piece. I ended up peeling off the 3D printed face side. It was just hot glued. So I will actually glue the OEM rear badge on here with the tape that's already applied there, but on top of that tape I will also go a little bit above and beyond. This stuff will glue your fingers together if you put it between your fingers or between anything else by accident, and it is very painful to get it unstuck. Don't ask how I know, I did it by accident once. So yeah, I'm just gonna, can't do this with two hands, so I will put the phone down. So two notches, that's your down spots, that's your down markers. So I'm just going to do it like this, peel this off. Actually, let's just do it like this first in my hands. Seems to be like it should hold it well enough without the glue, but I'm a little worried about this is not an even surface, so I'm actually gonna give it a little extra, just because I'm a little OCD. So let's do this gentle. And make sure that it is straight. Yeah, this is where you have to be very, very gentle and very accurate with how you're gonna apply it, because let's just say you don't want it crooked. So, yeah. The only downside about doing it this way, anything that doesn't have a contact patch will obviously attract dirt, which isn't the end of the world, but yeah, because it's all stick-on. So the only other solution I see with this is getting it 3D printed custom a little larger. If you have a 3D printer at home, you can do it yourself, or you can shoot a DM to Dylan on his Instagram or on his eBay page, and yeah, maybe he'll 3D print custom one for you. So yeah, and this one does actually come with the hardware. I just took it off for this video because it was kind of in my way a little bit. So yeah, it has full-on mounting hardware. But yeah, if you excuse my fingerprints off of the badge, there it is. Your new Evo 7 front badge, except with tons of fingerprints.